Hello friends, this is Gokul from Gokul Tech, and today in this video we are going to solve a subscriber's query related to the previous video, which is about switch function. Everyone aware that we are providing our practice file in our description box so that you can download and you can use it. Description is we have giving a link to download our practice file. So we can see the for our previous video, two of our subscribers have downloaded it and one person was quite happy with that file and he's saying it's very useful. Yes, and this you can read. He have tried the practice file, but he's also asking a question: can we add arithmetic operations also into our switch function? So that was his query. We are going to solve that particular query in this video. Try not to skip this video so that you can able to understand this concept. In the previous video we have dealt with the switch case for the months and yes, right. So now what we are going to do is the same way how we are going to check is it related to that sum number or not, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give equal to again switch. My expression is the same, column reference number B2 comma, and in value instead of giving the number, right, I am giving it as 0 plus 1. If it is a 0 plus 1, then my result is Jan. And again, if it is not, if it is 1 plus 1, then give me the result as Feb. If my result is not 1 plus 1, if it is 1 plus 2, then give it as March. If it is 2 plus 2, give it as April. So this is how I have rewritten the concept of the previous month name. Let's see what we are going to get. Everywhere the same formula we have rewritten, but we have got the same results. So as this particular statement confirms that yes, we can able to go ahead and work with arithmetic operations embedded with the switch function. So I hope this concept is clear and evident that we can able to embed our arithmetic operations also with the switch function. Hope this video is clear. If you have any doubt in this video or previous video, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then.